Now let's compare the traditional board and our cell phone PCB. The left is the traditional board. The dimension is awful. Why? Because you can find the DIP component. Where's DIP component? The IC is. The page is 100 miles. The page equals 0.256 times 10, about 2.54 millimeters. It's awful. You can find coloring resistor, capacitor, capacitor. It's very large, but there's so few components. Right. The bottom right is the dimension of a surmount resistor. The bottom right is SMD resistor and capacitor. It's imaginary that the dimension of cell phone resistor is is 0.1 millimeter. The height is 0.05 millimeter. Inward, in a square, 1 millimeter times 1 millimeter. It can contain 400 resistors or 400 capacitors. You know, the pad of a resistor is larger than a square. 1 millimeter times 1 millimeter. You know, this board can contain about hundreds and thousands resistors, but there are only 10 components. If our cell phone uses this component, I mean, the components aren't SMD. SMD means surface mount device. The pad is not through hole. The pad is a surface mount, only surface mount, not from top layer to bottom layer. You must remember it. The smallest resistance dimension is 1/10 millimeter. In width, 1/20 millimeters in height. It's terrible. It's terrible. You can't climb it. It's very, very small. That you can see it. But the traditional components is very, very large. These three pictures from our PowerPoint, you can think about it carefully. Be careful that if you design a PCB, you must select SMD component. The dimension is as small as possible. Now, you must know the name of the mount surface device resistor is 0.0201, means the width is 0.2, the height is 0.1 millimeters. Now, the surface mount device resistor is used in our cell phone. Oh my God.